The demand for IT services continues to rise while IT budgets remain flat. This makes it increasingly difficult to manage growth, especially with a complex, siloed IT infrastructure. Siloed data center structures create governance problems as vertical, per-application infrastructures make centralized management and future growth nearly impossible. Fragmented maintenance and management increases total cost of ownership because applications cannot scale easily when built on silos of isolated resources. Data center standardization and consolidation through virtualization is the key to breaking down silos and reducing capital expenditure, eliminating inefficiencies, and meeting increasing growth demands. At every level of the data center, from compute to storage to networking, there is a need for rapidly provisioned, on-demand capacity that is reliable, highly available, and highly scalable, so that IT can deliver virtualization economics across the entire data center. Server virtualization allows physical servers to be partitioned into multiple virtual servers. Each virtual server runs its own operating system and applications. Server virtualization facilitates management, improves scalability, and reduces capital expense by reducing the number of physical servers in the data center. Virtual server growth has led to an increase in storage and network demands. To keep up, the proven principles of abstraction, pooling, and automation can be applied to standardize the storage and network layers. With software-defined storage, physical storage is decoupled from the virtual workloads. Storage resources are then abstracted to enable pooling, replication, and on-demand distribution for higher availability. The result is a storage layer much like that of a virtualized compute. It's standardized, aggregated, flexible, efficient, and scalable. With software-defined networking, the logical network is decoupled from the physical network topology. This allows IT to treat their physical network as a pool of transport capacity that can be consumed and repurposed on demand. The result is multiple logical networks that can be dynamically provisioned and managed, all utilizing the underlying physical network as a simple backplane. As we move into the mobile cloud era, the same tools and processes used to virtualize and consolidate your on-premise data center can be used to facilitate your move to the hybrid cloud. In a hybrid cloud architecture, services from multiple heterogeneous providers can seamlessly be managed as if they were all part of a single virtual cloud. You can seamlessly move workloads between your data center and your hybrid cloud without having to re-architect your environment. More than 250,000 customers worldwide trust VMware production-ready technology to consolidate and standardize their data centers. With their virtualized data center, the state of Michigan was able to achieve their objective of agility in delivering solutions, improving communications across business units, and reducing costs, an important factor for a financially strapped state budget. With virtualization, an investment of $1.6 million yielded $5.25 million in CapEx savings and over $850,000 in labor cost savings, while the time to deploy new applications into production was reduced by approximately 35%. Managing future growth while reducing cost and complexity in a siloed data center is no longer impossible. Data center virtualization and consolidation helps your IT team reduce capital expenditure and eliminate inefficiencies, en route to meeting increasing growth demands and delivering virtualization economics across the data center, and ultimately expanding to the hybrid cloud to open the door to new services and business innovation. Learn more about how the software-defined data center can transform your data center at vmware.com/IT-outcomes.